First of all, thank you for providing opportunity to participate in hackathon. For this, what I have done is I have chosen a topic for IoT sensor data. Assuming that we are getting data from multiple locations within India, and then we are storing that data uh, in the Databricks volumes. Since Databricks volume are part of free edition, I have added that data sets here. That we are receiving the data continuously. So I have planned to use something called Databricks Declarative Pipelines. I have implemented a medallion architecture where data is received in bronze. First of all, data is received in bronze layer and then enriched to create silver layer. And finally, the gold tables are generated to um, to feed to the AI dashboards or for any other analytical purposes. I just ran this pipeline and the data has been loaded. Let me quickly show the data to you. So I've used the new editor, pipeline editor, to create these pipelines. Let us quickly start the pipeline compute. Declarative pipelines has been amazing development. So with just few sequels, I was able to build this entire pipeline. So that has been great. And the pipeline compute is running, so we can see the data in shortly. Okay, so this is the kind of data set that is present in the final gold layer. What I've done is I've fed this gold layer to a Genie workspace called IoT analysis. All my gold tables are being fed into this Genie workspace, and I can then start asking questions to the Genie so that I can get the first hand understanding of my data. Alongside Genie Workspace, I have also created a simple dashboard with AIBI dashboard facility, which is provided in Databricks Free Edition, to create the anomaly trend of fault rate or anomaly rate by region, and then also checking the average anomaly rate. So, like these type of insights on the gold table, I can use AIBI dashboard to create this detailed analysis. I have also created an AI agent. Let me quickly show you using an endpoint for Databricks Metalama 70 billion instruct. So that's the LLM that I'm using. I have created a zero-shot React agent. It has two tools. One is run Genie prompt and execute SQL. So what I'm doing is I have already created a workspace, Genie workspace, where I have provided all my gold table. So that is already there. I am using that workspace to get the get the SQL generated for my queries. So that method has been created. So what this method does is whatever question I ask, that question will be transferred to Genie workspace, and Genie will return the data set back. And then that data set can then be further used for summarizing or analysis. Uh, Even I have added one tool where I am just using that tool to parse the JSON response as well. So I just ran it a minute back. So what I get in return is like the AI agent worked, and it continuously used the intelligence of Genie workspace to get the data in return, and then it also tried to summarize the data. It has generated some of the insights on that data as well, like the anomaly rate varies across region, the anomaly fault rate also varies across region, and all these type of things. So those things are done. I have also tried to convert this into a proper JSON format. The reason for such thing is then this can be used as a communication between different APIs, or this data can be fed directly to the Databricks apps, which is also available in the Databricks Free Edition. So starting with setting up the data in Unity catalog, uh, creating declarative pipelines with Medallion architecture for loading and transforming the data, then creating a Genie workspace for generating analytical insight, then AIBI dashboard for showcasing the insights within data, and then using it as a feed to an AI agent so that Genie can be consumed by AI agent to generate an insight